What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today I am going to show you how to rig a fiddler crab for sheepshead fishing. Do me a favor, if you guys get any value out of this video, give me a like, make sure to subscribe, and let's get right to it. Alright guys, so what you want to do, this is a male one, so he has a big claw. The females, you don't have to worry about the claw, but on the males, what you want to do, just grab it and twist that and pull that right off. Because the sheepshead, they'll be able to grab that and pull them off the hook, and you don't want that. So what I do is I'll turn them like this, and I come through, I take off one of the back legs. See, that's not, I take off one of the back legs, and then I'm going to try to get this up where you guys can see it good, but I hook in that joint right there, and then I push that straight through. You want to be careful because you can crack the shell. So I push straight through, and then if you look here, the hook's like that, and I pivot it, and as I pivot it, I push it in, and you got to be careful because you don't want to crack the shell, but it ends up looking like that where you can't see the hook. So, you know, the sheepshead, they're pretty finicky, so it kind of looks like a leg there, and then if they get a bite of it, that hook's in the middle of him, so then you can set that hook real nice on him. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Do me a favor, if you haven't already, give it a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe for more content like this, and see you on the next one.